Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the home of luxury, elegance, and timeless design. Today, we take you inside one of Georgia's most breathtaking estates, a true masterpiece of architecture and craftsmanship built by none other than the legendary Tyler Perry. Priced at $5,250,000 and located at 9620 Cedar Grove Road in the heart of Fairburn, this magnificent 11-acre gated estate redefines the meaning of luxury living. As the gates open, a long, tree-lined driveway invites you toward the Grand Chateau, surrounded by manicured gardens, fountains, ponds, and elegant stone pathways that whisper sophistication. The first glimpse leaves you breathless, a perfect balance between power and peace, between grandeur and grace. This is not just a home, this is an American dream realized. The exterior of this estate sets a tone of royal serenity. The stunning stone facade, complemented by arched windows and timeless design details, reflects elegance in every corner. Around the property, you'll find a lighted tennis court, peaceful fountains, shimmering waterfalls, and a sparkling pool with a jacuzzi that glows beneath the golden Georgia sun. Each detail has been masterfully curated to create an atmosphere of resort-style tranquility. This is the kind of estate where luxury meets nature, where every sunset paints a masterpiece across the sky, right above your private paradise. Stepping through the grand double doors, you enter a world of breathtaking beauty. The grand foyer opens to soaring 20-foot coffered ceilings, marble floors polished to perfection, and 12 magnificent crystal chandeliers that illuminate every corner with golden warmth. The double staircase curves gracefully upward like a royal sculpture, setting the tone for what lies ahead. Every inch of this home has been designed with precision and care, blending elegance with comfort in a way that only true luxury can achieve. The living areas are a celebration of light and space. 4 beautifully designed lounges offer unique ambiances, from the formal living room with towering windows overlooking the gardens to the intimate TV lounge ideal for cozy evenings. Sunlight pours through the windows, dancing across rich woodwork, marble fireplaces, and plush furniture. Every angle feels cinematic, every view picture perfect. This is a home made not just for living, but for experiencing life at its most beautiful. The kitchen is the beating heart of this mansion, a chef's dream wrapped in elegance. Featuring custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances, it's both functional and inspiring. The breakfast nook, set within a turret ceiling, offers a panoramic view of the pool and garden, a perfect spot to start your morning surrounded by serenity. Next to it lies the formal dining area, adorned with crystal lighting and luxurious detailing, ideal for elegant dinners, family gatherings, or holiday celebrations. Every meal here feels like an event. When it's time to rest, the bedrooms deliver a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. There are 6 spacious bedrooms and 8 luxurious bathrooms, each one designed to offer privacy and indulgence. The master suite is truly regal, with its own sitting area, marble fireplace, and an expansive wardrobe suite that feels more like a private boutique. The ensuite bathroom is a spa within your home, featuring marble floors, a jacuzzi tub, gold fixtures, and soft ambient lighting. Every guest bedroom has its own private bath, ensuring that comfort and luxury are never compromised. For entertainment, the lower level of the home holds some incredible surprises. A private theater with surround sound invites you to enjoy movies in cinematic style, while a fully equipped gym ensures you can stay active without ever leaving your estate. Whether it's an intimate movie night or an energetic workout, this mansion offers experiences for every mood. Each space within these walls radiates personality, the kind that speaks of success, style, and serenity. Step outside once more and you're greeted by an outdoor paradise. The pool area is an oasis of relaxation, complete with a jacuzzi, outdoor fireplace, stone patios, and lush greenery. The sound of the waterfalls and the glow of soft lighting at dusk create an enchanting atmosphere that feels worlds away from city life. Here, you can host gatherings, enjoy peaceful mornings, or simply take in the beauty of your own private world. This estate is a haven, a rare fusion of luxury architecture and natural charm. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of one of Georgia's most luxurious estates, the $5.25 million Tyler Perry Mansion in Fairburn. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most inspiring luxury homes across the United States. Because here, Every home is more than a property, it's a dream come to life. Clapperboard American Dream Mansions, inspiring your dream lifestyle.